Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essentials. Your subscription is active, you're logged in, and any existing VPN connection is disconnected. Once done, open the VPN app and make sure it's updated. Outdated clients can fail when switching locations. You should also decide which country you need and whether you want a specialty server like streaming or P2P. Make sure the app has network permissions so it can change routes. This prevents failed connections when you attempt to switch country settings. Next, you pick the country and exact server. In the app, use the search box or interactive map to locate the target nation, then choose a city or specialty server if available. You're aiming to change your exit IP, so select the server type that matches your use case. For privacy, pick an obfuscated or secure protocol. For speed, pick a nearby city. Once selected, tap Connect. If it stalls, open Advanced Settings to switch protocol. That often resolves handshake issues. Finally, verify the change by checking your IP and displayed country on a quick IP check service. This confirms routing through the chosen server. If the site or service still shows the old location, clear browser cache and flush DNS, then retry a different server in the same country. Make sure the kill switch remains enabled so traffic doesn't leak during switching. If problems persist, switch protocol or contact your VPN support. Provide timestamps and server ID so.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.